जब चलने की सोचा अपनी चुनी राह पर, तो कोई रोक सके इतना किसमें दम था। जब चलने की सोचा खुद की राह पर, कोई रोक सके इतना किसमें दम था। फिर भी क्यों नाकाम हुए, इस पर सोचने पे पता चला, साला कॉन्फिडेंस तो हम में ही कम था। Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeo Care Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. All of us have highly valued goals in our life already set, but also most of us aren't able to achieve it. And the most common reason behind it is what we are going to talk about today: self-sabotaging behavior. So let's talk about its definition, causes, signs of self-sabotaging behavior, and also tricks to overcome it. Stay tuned till the end. Before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then press the bell icon now and stay notified, stay educated. Now, what is self-sabotaging? It is referred to a behavior or thought pattern that keeps you away from the goal that you decide for yourself or what you want in your life. Now, one would think, why would we do that to ourselves? But it is kind of defensive mechanism that your brain generates to keep you in a safe, secure environment, to keep you away from failure. Sometimes your conscious minds determine some goals for you, but there is some limiting belief already fit in your subconscious mind, and that belief keeps you away from your goals. That belief is the base for self-sabotaging. The most common limiting beliefs are lack of self-confidence, lack of self-love, and lack of self-worth. You might have got these feelings either from traumatic childhood or a past failure that you weren't able to deal with in a proper way. Example of this would be taking up a task and just stating to yourself, anyways, I won't be able to complete it. Here, you have decided your failure even before you start your task. Now, you have prepared your mind to take up the failure with a much lighter way. This leads to unconsciously reducing the efforts that you put in making it possible, and you land up failing. Without bothering much, you would just let go the issue. But here, the reason behind your failure is your self-sabotaging behavior, is your self-sabotaging thought. Now that we have sufficiently defined self-sabotaging, let's know how to identify self-sabotaging behavior. There is certain pattern that a self-sabotaging person would follow. Today, I will be sharing such 5 signs that would be seen in a self-sabotaging person. So let's get started. First one is over-planning. It can be also termed as overthinking about all the possibilities that can be led as a result of the undertaken task. It is the main cover to cover the fear of failure, and the creeping anxiety makes it worse. Second one is lack of consistency. Here you sabotage the thought that you are not going to succeed anyways. That's why you reduce the consistency even before making sufficient efforts to reach or complete the task. Third one is lack of confidence. Doubting your self ability to fulfill the task, and due to that not taking up the task or avoiding the task is what we choose to do. No opportunities taken equal to no failure. Fourth one is searching for inspiration. Although your goals are very determined in life, but you will be constantly seeking for inspiration in your life. You would be constantly following other people, constantly seeking for other people's inspiration in your life and following them, rather than being an inspiration to the world. Any new task taken upon will bring a lack of confidence, which will lead to need for support and need for inspiration. Fifth sign is limiting yourself in your restricted thoughts. You might tend to form a boundary around yourself and believe strongly that you're safe within that limit. Even a new opportunity beyond that limit would seem to bring anxiety into your heart. You would rather tend to blame other people, your environment, or your health to escape the opportunity rather than taking it up. If you find any of these signs within yourself, then my friends, you're self-sabotaging. Self-sabotaging not only deprives you of the goal that you want to achieve in life, but also limits your personal growth. So it is very important to overcome self-sabotaging behavior and thoughts. Here are few tips that I will be helping you with to overcome this behavior. The first one to begin with is to recognize and understand the self-sabotaging behavior in you and its cause. It can be related to any event of your life that has caused gross impact on your life. So it is very important to rewind and resolve the issue there. Second one is time for self-reflection. It is very important to know your own strengths and weaknesses, to use them in making up your goal. Third one is changing pattern of thoughts and behavior. Our brain tends to believe whatever we tell it for a longer period of time. If you have been stating to yourself that you're not good enough for a sufficiently longer period of time, it has been already registered in your mind, and your actions are dependent upon this thought. Now, even if you stop saying it to yourself, still it has been registered in mind and it won't change your action. So for changing your action, first you'll have to change your thought. Rather than saying I'm not good enough, you just have to change the statement to I thought I was not good enough. Here you tell your mind that it is not a fixed belief or a fixed idea that has to be fixed, but there is a possibility that it is just a thought that is passing by in my mind. So here you open the possibilities of your success, and that is how you train your brain. Your brain then starts restraining itself and freeing itself with the flow of good thoughts into your mind, and that reflects in your behavior. Then the percentage of efforts increase and self-sabotaging decreases. Fourth step is setting goals and plans. Setting goals and providing analytical data of your actions to yourself will help you keep focused on your work. Fifth one is affirmative sentences. Remember to start your day with self-love, with self-talk, with the words that will keep you boosted for the rest of the day. I am looking very good today. I am feeling very energetic today. I am going to achieve success today. Any such 5 affirmative sentences in the morning that have a great impact not only on your career or a relationship but into your lives. It will change your attitude. For more information about positive attitude, I would link about my video on positive attitude. I hope these tips would be useful in overcoming your self-sabotaging behavior. For any further queries or online consultations, you can contact me on the below given details. Stay tuned every Monday, stay educated. Thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, then show your love so that I keep making such videos and helping and impacting your life. Thank you for watching till the end.